Hello, so today we're looking at question 941, valid mountain array. So basically given an array of integers, we want to figure out if it is a valid mountain array. It has to be strictly increasing and then decreasing, even if it is increasing but it has the same consecutive numbers, it is also not considered a mountain array. So here are some constraints. It is at least it contains at least one element, and the max is 10 to the power of 4, and the elements itself are ranges from 0 to 10 to the power of 4. Okay, so intuitively it seems like maybe we need to keep a flag of it strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. If it is, and then at the end of it, traversing the array, if it increases and then it decreases, strictly increasing first is true and then strictly decreasing true is true, then we return true. If not, we return false. So let's initialize the flags first. Strictly increasing, we'll initialize it to false first. False. And then at the end, if strictly and strictly decreasing is true, then we return true. If not, we want to return false. So now we start traversing the array. For I in range, because we want to compare the current element with the next element, we want to only loop until the n-1 element. So like that. Okay, so let's start with the condition if it's decreasing first, because if it decreases without an increase, we immediately want to break out of the loop and return false. So if the element array I plus 1 is actually smaller than I, okay, if strictly increasing is not true or false, in this case, I guess we can just say not true. Like we can either say initialize it like that, or we can equals to false. Either way, it's the same. We want to return false immediately, and then, or else we can actually then set strictly decrement to true. Okay, and then the second condition is if I plus 1 is greater than I. Oh no, I think I pressed insert. Yeah. And then same, we have to check if it has been similar to the previous example, right? We want to make sure that strictly decrement has not already been set to true, because if not, it will be kind of like a valley instead of a strict mountain array. So check if strictly decrement is already true, then return false, or else we also over here set strictly increment to true, right? Yes. And then the last condition is if we have consecutive same value elements together, because then that's like a plateau, yeah. So we return false immediately. Yeah, I think that should be it. Okay, great. Looks like it worked. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.